get a lot of things from satellite because I do a lot of instant boards and expedite orders. So I have a lot of stuff that's probably sitting here right now.
We were able to allocate a certain line of switchboards to be built here, saved us several months in lead time.
We were able to work with our local Eaton rep to have our gear manufactured out of this factory right here, and cut our lead times down by, I want to say it was about 7 to 8 months. It was a big thing for the project, obviously, because we were able to hit our project dates and get everything going. So it was a big deal.
We also had 2 switchboards that had to be reworked due to a change order, and we were able to bring them here, have them completely reworked, leaving the factory, the satellite factory, with the full UL listing and ready to install.
All the major factories for every manufacturer is cookie cutter. Okay, you want to screw over here, that isn't going to happen. So the satellites are able to manufacture custom equipment to meet the requirements for that particular job, because not all jobs you can use standard equipment.
Gives us a lot of flexibility as a contractor to be able to to make those kind of moves and expedite things when we need them to. So it's a big help for us.
It was much easier than having to ship them to Texas or wherever they had come from originally. So yes, it's been a big help.
Yeah, it's always a big help. Satellite always gives me a lot of help.